Hey everyone, Acer has made a significant entry into the handheld gaming market with the release of the Acer Nitro Blaze 7. This marks a bold move for the brand, which is traditionally known for its gaming laptops and desktops. The Nitro Blaze 7 is powered by the AMD Ryzen 7 8840HS processor and Radeon 780M graphics, bringing high-performance gaming into a portable form factor. With its cutting-edge specifications and gaming-centric features, Acer aims to compete with popular devices like the Lenovo Legion Go, Steam Deck, and ASUS ROG Ally. The Nitro Blaze 7 boasts a 7-inch Full HD IPS display with a 144Hz refresh rate, offering smooth and fluid gameplay. This high refresh rate ensures that fast-paced action games feel responsive and immersive. Additionally, the screen's 500 nit peak brightness allows for clear visibility in various lighting conditions, making it a versatile option for both indoor and outdoor use. The inclusion of AMD FreeSync Premium enhances gaming performance by reducing screen tearing and stuttering, providing a seamless experience. At the heart of the Nitro Blaze 7 is the AMD Ryzen 7 8840HS processor. This level of CPU performance ensures that even the most demanding modern games can run smoothly. Complementing the processor is the Radeon 780M graphics, which features 12 compute units, offering high frame rates even on the smaller 7-inch display. In terms of storage, the Nitro Blaze 7 offers up to 2TB of M.2 MSI 4.0x4 Gen 4 SSD storage, providing ample space for a large game library. With 16 gigs of LPDDR5X SDRAM, multitasking, and fast load times are easily achievable, ensuring that switching between games and apps is seamless. For players accustomed to traditional controllers, the Nitro Blaze 7 includes familiar joystick-style buttons, a D-pad, bumpers, triggers, and shoulder buttons, providing a console-like experience in a handheld form. The device also includes the Acer GameSpace app, which integrates gaming platforms and offers features such as game recording, streaming, and performance optimization. To top it off, Acer is offering a 3-month PC Game Pass subscription, granting access to a wide range of popular titles. The handheld gaming market is becoming increasingly crowded, with devices like the Lenovo Legion Go, Steam Deck, and ASUS ROG Ally leading the charge. Handheld gaming has evolved significantly since the days of the Game Boy. Devices like the Nintendo Switch pioneered the hybrid model, allowing users to game both on the go and at home. However, the rise of powerful handheld gaming PCs, like the Nitro Blaze 7, represents a new era where PC-level performance is achievable in a portable device. The Steam Deck helped popularize this idea by allowing players to access their Steam libraries and run PC games in handheld mode. Devices like the Nitro Blaze 7 and ASUS ROG Ally build upon this foundation, offering higher refresh rates, better displays, and more powerful hardware. This evolution means that gamers now have more options than ever, whether they want to relive the classics via emulation or enjoy the latest AAA titles on the go. The Acer Nitro Blaze 7 is a standout device in the growing handheld gaming market, offering powerful hardware, a high refresh rate display, and a wealth of storage and memory. With its Ryzen 7 8840HS processor and Radeon 780M graphics, it promises a top-tier portable gaming experience. While competitors like the Lenovo Legion Go, Steam Deck, and ASUS ROG Ally offer strong alternatives, the Nitro Blaze 7 holds its own, thanks to its premium specs and thoughtful appearance. For gamers looking for a device that balances portability with performance, the Acer Nitro Blaze 7 is an exciting new option that sets a high bar in the handheld gaming space. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. Have a nice day and God bless you.